If you're a busy mom, a 9 to 5 mom, or you're simply tired of hearing, "Mommy, what are we going to eat today?" every evening, this video is for you. Let me show you how I batch cook for my family of 8 and make life easier for me during the week. Hello my kings and queens, welcome back again to my channel. It's your favorite mom of 6 raising a family of 8 here in the UK. Today we are batch cooking. Honestly, with 6 children, I've learned that one of the best thing I can do for myself is prepare ahead, because whenever everyone is hungry at the same time, that is not the time I want to start wondering what to make. So whenever I have time and energy, I cook few different meals, portion everything and keep some in the fridge and freezer. To be honest, it might feel a lot of work on that day, but during the week, it saves me so much time and stress. And I think this is especially helpful if you're a working mom. After working all day, sorting out the children, the house, and everything else that comes with motherhood, sometimes you just don't have the energy to start cooking a full meal from scratch. Having food already prepared means I can simply bring something out, warm it up, add whatsoever side we want, and dinner is sorted. One thing I always advise is do what works for your family. Batch cooking doesn't mean that you have to cook 5 or 10 different meals at once. Even if you prepare just 2 meals ahead, you've already made life easier for yourself. As a mom, we already have so much to think about. If there is something I can do today that will make life easier for me tomorrow, honestly, I will grab it. So I'm going to allow you to enjoy the rest of the video watching me prepare my stew, okra soup and jollof rice. And at the end of this video, we are going to catch up again. And look at that. This is one of my favorite parts, seeing everything coming together and knowing that food is sorted for the next few days. That feeling alone makes all the cooking worth it. If you want to watch step by step of how I prepare my best smoky jollof rice, I have a video of smoky jollof rice in my channel. You can just pop in or I will attach it on this video. So to all my busy mom watching, whether you're a stay-at-home mom, a working mom, or simply trying to keep up with family life, I hope this gives you a little motivation, my queens. And please remember, you don't have to do everything perfectly. Find what works for your home and your family. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and join our family. And tell me in the comment section, are you team batch cooking or do you prefer cooking fresh food every day? Thank you so much for watching, my kings and queens. We'll see you in my next video.